Hello, this is Rajeshwari, Assistant Professor of English. Today, we are going to look at R.K. Narayan's short story, The Gateman's Gift. Let's begin with a short introduction about the author. R.K. Narayan is one of the most popular Indian English writers. His well known novels are The Guide, Swami and Friends, and The Financial Expert. He won Sahitya Academy Award for his novel The Guide, and he will always be remembered for his fictional town Malgudi. Let's move on to the story. Govind Singh was an ex-service man. After his service in war, he started his work as a gatekeeper. He has been an honest gateman at Englantia for 25 years. Englantia is the name of a private company. After his retirement, the company offered him a pension of 25 rupees. He should collect this pension on the first day of every month. Once after his retirement, Govind Singh got a lot of leisure time. One day, he found out an interesting fact about himself when a child in the neighborhood approached him with its little doll for repair. He not only repaired but also discovered the idea of making dolls out of clay. Later, his attention turned into making and selling new miniature models. The villages, towns, and the persons he had seen were very much present in his models. He kept those models in his cousin's shop to attract the crowd. He started taking these models to his office on the pension day of every month as a gift to the general manager. He used to pass these gifts through the accountant. Govind Singh considered his general manager is equal to God. He did not even speak to him more than 2 times in his lifetime. His first meeting with him was on the first day of his joining, and the second meeting was the day he left the office. At last, he made his masterpiece the frontage of his office. After a week of his another pension day, he received a registered letter. It was the third letter he received in his lifetime, and that was the first registered letter. Govind Singh tried to give back that letter to the postman, whereas the postman refused to take it back. As soon as he received the letter, Govind Singh began worrying about the content in the letter. His wife suggested him to get the help of others to know the content, but he was afraid to hear the words in it. There was a reason behind his nervousness. That is, whenever he went with his model to the office, people used to stop their work for at least half an hour to watch and enjoy his miniature model. Hence, he thought that the letter might be about his cancellation of the pension. Thus, he lost his peace of mind and requested everybody to tell the content of that letter without opening. One of his ex-compounders suggested him to go to the City X-ray Institute to get the message of the letter without opening. Govind Singh also had gone and asked, but the assistant of the X-ray Institute sent him back after examined and also advised him to take care of his health. On his way back, he amused the school children by behaving like a tiger. He reached home in a terrifying condition, and he made a helmet out of clay. In his madness, he stamped the model of his village, which he guarded like a treasure. Again, he went out by wearing his clay helmet. His madness had given him extreme freedom. He had broken a street lamp which looked like a glass papaya for him. The scattering noise of the glass was as music to his ears. Then he created traffic issues on the road. There, unexpectedly, the accountant of Englandia identified Gobind Singh and the letter which he kept in hand. Then he read the letter, which was an appreciation of his artistic models and a reward of rupees 100 from the general manager of Englandia. The whole content was translated to Gobind Singh by the accountant. At last, Gobind Singh was relieved from his anxiety by the unexpected help of the accountant, and he decided to stop making models as he believed that was not an occupation of a sensible man. So that's all, the story of the Gateman's Gift. I hope you guys understood the story. Thank you.